So guys, this video is about internal enemies and external enemies. So as you know, there are two types of enemies. The external enemies is handled by our army, navy or air force, and they are much more capable of handling any types of security threat which comes to border. But when it's come to internal security or else internal threat, it is related to those corrupt officers which sell their honesty and sell their morals for just some rupees. And mainly these persons are RTO officers, policemen, and some vigilance officers, and also some people working in food department. These people are real termite. They are eating country from inside, and also they are losing the pillars of India. So guys, I was talking about external threat or external enemy. They can be easily catch up and they can be easily caught, and we can know what are their steps. But the real threat is internal enemy, which are unable to see, and their activities are very much given less importance. So now the question arises, how can we deal with such internal enemies? As you might have heard the news about the state called Kerala, which has banned GoPro camera. Many people give reason due to security issues or else due to road safety issues. But you know guys, what was the main issue? The main issue was the corruption of police, which was captured on GoPro. As you know guys, GoPro is weighed on helmet. So while riding on motorcycle and while riding on road, so you can capture all the activities of road and also all the mishappenings of the road. For example, if anyone is driving rash, or else if someone is trying to overtake illegally, and also sometimes police stops you illegally and tries to harass you. So all these activities are captured by GoPro. And you know guys, there was a serious case of a South Korean vlogger. He hired a car in Delhi. So he was stopped by a corrupt Delhi police officer. So while he was investigated, he just kept aside a GoPro camera and recorded all his activities. But the bloody corrupt policeman didn't knew that his activities are being captured in GoPro camera. So he asked for a bribe of 5,000. So that Korean guy gave that bribe, and later he captured all these activities. So after capturing his activities, he just uploaded that video on social media. That video went very much viral, and because of which that policeman got suspended. So you know guys, these dash cam, GoPro, these are really a threat to corrupt officers and corrupt policemen. And you know guys, if your car has a GoPro camera, then police will be very much cautious. And you know guys, more than thousands of policemen have been suspended due to the GoPro camera. As you guys already know that policemen are not here to serve people or to reduce crime. They just want to abuse their power and want to abuse common people, and they can't even fight against the criminals, because in many cases when criminals stand in front of policemen, these policemen shit in their pants and they run away like a coward. And you know guys, all these brute power and all these abuse of power, they show on the students and some common people who are just going to office daily and earn their daily bread, and who don't know much about law. So these policemen try to exercise their power. And you know guys, when these policemen become so much powerful, they think they are God and they can abuse anyone. This is the main reason why many policemen don't want to put body cams in their body. For example, there are countries like America, Canada and some European countries, many policemen wear body cam so that all of their activities are captured and there won't be any mishappenings. But when it comes to Indian police, they are very much scared of this body cam, because they already know they are criminals from inside and they are not here to serve people or to protect people. They are only to protect the criminals. Anyways, the Delhi police or any other police of state they won't sanction such body cams because they know what are there from inside. So what you can do, that you can just take out camera from your pocket. As you guys already know that whenever any policeman goes to any local street food vendor or any local street food shop, there is 1000% or 1,000,000% chance that he won't even pay for tea or any food which he had consumed from that street food corner. And they think that these tea sellers and these street food vendors are slave of their father, and these street food vendors will give them everything for free. They think that this street food and the items which are kept in street, they all belong to this bloody cop and this bloody policeman. Imagine guys, a laborer who earns hardly 300 or 400 rupees a day, or else an auto driver or a Ola or Uber bike rider who earns not more than 600 rupees per day. He pays for all his expenses, whether it is tea or else any other snacks he consumes at street food corner. But imagine a policeman which gets a handsome salary, but he doesn't even pay. He acts as if the government is not paying him anything. So in this case, to remove their arrogant attitude, you just need to take out your mobile phone and pretend as if you're recording. In this case, police will get scared and they will definitely try to pay. And this is very successful method. Or else some people are scared to just stand in front of police and record them. In such cases, you have to use a phone like Vivo 200 or else any other camera which has a telescopic lens of more than 50 megapixel, so that you can stand 50 or 100 meters away from the policeman and record their activity. Because of this telescopic or such a periscope lens, police won't even know that their activity and their corrupt acts are being captured in camera. The only one method to protect yourself and to protect the society from these bloody cops and these bloody policemen which are eating our society like a termite is by showing the power of social media and by. So guys, this policy which is called name and shame policy, only this policy which needs to be implemented by common people of India, only by this you can be saved. Otherwise you are left for nothing. And please remember guys, we have to be united against these corrupt officials, since unity has power and only unity can protect us from these devils of society. So guys, let's take a pledge, let's take a help of technology, and let's pledge each other to protect ourselves and our brothers and our community from these corrupt officials. And guys, if you have any other suggestions and comments, then please do let me know, so that I can also share and also let other people know. And guys, if you feel this video is helpful for you, then please do comment in this video, plus do like and share this video, so that our message is spread to large group of people.